Did you know that the way you schedule your workouts could be the key to beating stress and boosting your immune system? Watch to discover the science-backed winner between linear and non-linear training. Meet Sarah, a fitness researcher studying two groups of stressed-out professionals. The first group followed traditional linear periodization, gradually increasing intensity week by week. The second group used non-linear training, varying their workout intensity daily. After 8 weeks, blood tests revealed the non-linear group had significantly higher immune markers and 40% lower cortisol levels compared to the linear group. They reported feeling more energized and less anxious, especially during high-stress periods. The secret: dynamic intensity variations prevented workout plateaus and kept stress hormones in check. The body thrived on unpredictability, adapting more efficiently to both physical and mental challenges. Ready to revolutionize your training? Drop a comment sharing how you currently structure your workouts, linear or non-linear.